Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to security and privacy. From here, just tap on more security settings, then go to secure folder. Now to create the secure folder, just tap on continue. Now to set your PIN, just tap on done and select the password type which you like. You can select between a PIN, a password, and a pattern. I will select the pattern. Now just enter your pattern, then tap on continue. Now just enter your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now select allow and tap on next. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up the secure folder on our smartphone. Now to add apps to your secure folder, just tap on the plus icon and from here just select the apps which you want to add to your secure folder. Now once you select the apps, just tap on add. And this is how you can set up secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.